Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Friends, I think yesterday in the class I told you that regarding the planetary movement, Saturn, శనిగ్రహం తిరుగుతూ ఉంటే అంటే ఒక చోట యాక్సిడెంట్ అయితే వరుసగా 4 యాక్సిడెంట్ అదే టైప్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. Very recently I have made a video regarding the non-observation of the protocol by the GRP staff in the train in which Justice Anupam Chaudhary, Gautam Chaudhary of Allahabad High Court was traveling, in which he was not given the refreshments in Purushottam Express. I made that video and he has written a letter calling for explanation from the General Manager of North Central Railway. But Chief Justice of India, he has cautioned the judges that the protocol facilities should not cause embarrassment or they should not become a subject matter of criticism. So, by the public inside and outside the judicial fraternity also. No doubt, you are given protocol because you are a judge, you are delivering different types of judgment. So many people may be having grounds against you. Therefore, you have to be protected 100%. That's why whenever you go to Tirumala temple, the protocol for the judges will be separate. But that does not mean that you can ask for explanations from them. Sometimes things will happen. I have given the example of supplying the coconut water in a bottle, in a mechanic bottle, which was just before that time filled with petrol, and the smell has come. Likewise, things happen. I don't want the judges to keep quiet, but they have to restrain. Unnecessarily asking for explanation. Coming, nowadays, it is the social media days. సో ఏదొచ్చినా సరే సోషల్ మీడియాలో వైరల్ అవుతుంది. మణిపూర్ సంఘటన 4/5/2020 జరిగింది. వీడియో అవటం వల్లగా బయటకు వచ్చింది, అంత అలరవటం. ఒంగోలు సంఘటన జూన్లో జరిగింది, వీడియో బయటకు రావటం వల్ల కదా యూరినేషన్ కేసు బయటకు వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి ది సిజేఐ indirectly, or I can say indirectly, cautioned them in this regard. Right. So Justice Gautam Chaudhary's incident, I have made a separate video. Already it is there. And another incident of that type came to notice. It was published in the print. This is an electronic magazine where Justice Gaurang Kanth, now we can say he is a former judge of Delhi High Court because he is transferred to Kolkata. He wrote a letter to the so-called Joint Commissioner of CRPF and also Deputy Commissioner of Law and Order Delhi about the security lapses. Why? Because his pet dog was found missing. Why it is missing? Because the doors were not closed as per instructions by the security staff. Right? Justice Gaurang Kanth, he said he lost his pet dog due to security person's failure in locking the door of his residence. And the words he used, please remember, please note down, due to lack of devotion and incompetence on the part of the officers. Lack of devotion and incompetence on the part of officers in providing security of my official bungalow. I lost my pet dog. Right? But the thing is, with this, he is afraid that the same can cause grave injury to my or my family's life and liberty. This is the point. So, since he is a judge, he has taken the issue to such a. So, since the security officials failed to comply with his instructions of locking the door, and such dereliction of duty and incompetence needs immediate attention because it can cause a danger to his life or to the family members' life and liberty. Right? So, a thorough investigation may be taken up and ask the police to produce the report within 3 working days. That means he has sought for explanation of the police. So Please remember, actually, the security will be provided by the CRPF and PSO will be provided by the Delhi police. Security means చుట్టూ ఉండే బందోబస్తు అండ్ జడ్జి గారు బంగ్లాకి 1+4 ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళు రొటేషన్లో మారుతూ ఉంటారు. అదేమో సిఆర్పిఎఫ్, జడ్జి గారు పక్కనే పిఎస్ఓ, పర్సనల్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఆఫీసర్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఢిల్లీ పోలీస్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రిగార్డింగ్ ది బందోబస్త్ స్టాఫ్. సో కాబట్టి వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఈజ్ నో డౌట్ ద డాగ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ విల్ మిస్సింగ్. మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటాం, మన కాళ్ళ మధ్యలోంచి పోతూ ఉంటుంది, మిస్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అంత మాత్రాన అది సెక్యూరిటీ ల్యాబ్స్ అని, తలుపులు వేయలేదని దానికి అంత లెటర్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరమా? నో డౌట్ డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ లవ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్షన్ టువర్డ్స్ డాగ్స్. ఎందుకంటే కుక్క చనిపోతే, మా కుక్క చనిపోతే దానికి ఫ్యూనరల్ చేశాను, ఊరేగింపులాగా తీసుకెళ్తాను. సో ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎఫెక్షన్ టువర్డ్స్ డాగ్. దట్ డస్ నాట్ మీన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఎ లెటర్ to the judge, to the police officer asking for investigation, immediate inquiry, within 3 days, suspend them, like that. May not look nice. So that's why Honorable Chief Justice of India cautioned them in the words, beautiful words, self-reflection. Self-reflection, that means think yourself before commenting the others. Some things do happen, and the protocol facilities should not be subjected to the criticism by the public, the criticism by the fellow judicial officers within and outside, within and outside the judicial fraternity. Hope this will be an eye-opener for the honorable judges. Okay, thank you.